Top 6 bedtime drinks that help seniors sleep like a baby. As we age, getting deep, restful sleep becomes more difficult. After 60, many people experience light sleep, frequent waking, and difficulty falling back asleep. This is often due to lower melatonin levels, joint pain, stress, or nighttime trips to the bathroom. But the good news: certain natural drinks can help calm your body, reduce discomfort, and support better sleep without medications. Here are the top 6 bedtime drinks that can help older adults sleep peacefully. 1. Chamomile tea. Chamomile is well known for its calming, sleep-promoting effects. Contains a plant compound called apigenin, which binds to brain receptors that promote sleepiness and reduce anxiety. Drink 1 cup about 30-45 minutes before bed. Choose pure chamomile tea, caffeine-free. Optional: add a touch of honey, not sugar. Warm turmeric milk, golden milk. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory that helps relieve joint and muscle pain, a common reason seniors can't sleep well. Mix teaspoon turmeric in warm dairy or almond milk. Add a pinch of black pepper to boost absorption. Optional: a sprinkle of cinnamon or drop of honey. This drink not only calms the body, but also supports brain health and memory. Tart cherry juice. Tart cherries are one of the few fruits that naturally contain melatonin, the hormone your body uses to regulate sleep. Drink to 1 cup about 1-2 hours before bed. Make sure it's 100% tart cherry juice, no added sugar. A study showed seniors who drank it twice daily slept up to 84 minutes longer each night. Note: if you have diabetes or take blood thinners, ask your doctor before using. Peppermint tea. Peppermint tea is caffeine-free and can relax your digestive system and muscles. It's especially helpful if you experience gas, bloating, or indigestion at night. Drink 1 warm cup before bedtime. Also helps reduce headaches and tension. Lemon balm tea. Lemon balm is a calming herb in the mint family. It's known to reduce anxiety, restlessness, and insomnia, especially in older adults. Steep in hot water for 5-10 minutes. You can find it alone or blended with chamomile. Almond milk, unsweetened. Almonds are a good source of magnesium, which helps relax muscles and promote sleep. A warm cup of almond milk can ease you into sleep, especially if dairy bothers your stomach. Choose unsweetened almond milk. Warm it slightly, and drink it 20-30 minutes before bed. Final tip: avoid these before bed. Many seniors unknowingly hurt their sleep by consuming caffeinated drinks, tea, soda, coffee, sugary desserts, or late-night snacks. Heavy or spicy meals after 8 p.m.